Hi, my name is Dr. Mavidis. I'm a general dentist at Dr. Joyce Dental Clinic with 9 years of experience. Today we will discuss some tips how to make your veneers last longer. Just like our natural teeth, it's important to practice good oral habits to ensure your veneers will last as long as possible. Brush at least twice a day using soft bristled toothbrush and make sure you are not brushing too hard. Whatever possible, stay away from high pigmented food and drink, such as coffee, tea, wine, and other types of alcohol. Too much exposure to this type of food can cause the bonding in particular to stain. Avoid using your veneers to open food packages, loosen knots, and pop lids from bottles. Not only does this compromise the integrity of your veneers, can weaken or chip them. Porcelain veneers custom designed for you in our in-house dental lab and fitted by the professionals at Dr. Joyce Dental Clinic are highly durable and could last for years with the proper care. Visit us to get a complete smile makeover. Thank you.